Stocks recovered from a huge plunge as the Dow Jones loses 249 more points today, closing at 15,766. It was down as much as 565 points earlier today. The Nasdaq slipped 5 points to 4,471, and the Standard & Poor's 500 closed, the S&P 500 closed 22 points down to 1,859. Now, the price of oil also suffered its worst one-day drop since September. So what does this all mean for the economy? CBS 2's Dick Brennan joins us from the newsroom to try to spell it out. Dick?
Well, Chris, energy companies took a beating again, and that could mean more trouble for an industry already hit by layoffs, bankruptcies, and other cutbacks. But Americans, as we know, are getting a huge break at the gas pump.
Another day, another wild ride. Stocks sinking through the day before recovering a bit later on.
This is the new normal.
And once again, it was driven by a collapse in oil prices. The price of crude fell below $27 a barrel, the lowest since 2003, and a far cry from the $100 a barrel back in 2014. Greater supply and less demand means some good news. Lower prices at the pump. The national average is well below the $2 a gallon mark, but Americans who work for energy companies are taking a hit.
They're either losing their job or making less. Now, the place they buy their shoes isn't selling shoes. The place they buy their car isn't selling a car.
Global worries remain focused on China. The Shanghai Composite has dropped by more than 40% since last summer. Chinese officials say their economy is transitioning to less dependence on exports, creating instability.
So the rest of the world has to get used to volatilities coming out of China.
And that volatility continues to trigger global sell-offs.
You probably don't want to check your balances every night because it'll just put you in a bad mood.
Now, the big question, of course, with no clear answer, when do we hit bottom? How long will the instabilities last? Analysts say the selling right now is based on fear, but at least not the panic we remember in 2008. Christine, back to you.
Dick, thank you.